Hi, welcome to Simple Watercolor Tutorials, Watercolor Holiday Card 3. In the last tutorial, we painted our second holiday card. In today's video, we are going to paint the third one, a side view of a cabin with a big pine tree, and also decorate with some winter bushes. Please find the link in the description if you haven't seen the previous two cards tutorial yet. Okay, let's get started. Before start applying any watercolor layer, I will use a kneaded eraser to erase pencil lines. Just tap the eraser on the lines. In today's tutorial, we are going to use rose madder, cadmium yellow, cerulean blue, forest green, and also burnt sienna, which I will show you later. First, let's mix the color that we are going to use for today. Now let's apply first layer for the cabin. Let's start with front side of the cabin, then for the door. Before the first layer is done, let's add thicker pigments before the first layer is dry. And add some shadow for the gap of the wood panel. Next, apply blue for the door. Here we use the same techniques we have been used before. That's using dry brush technique. Just by use side of your brush to swipe on the paper. Also, let's draw some shadow and the details for the door. After we finish the door, then we will apply for the surrounding area. And now let's mix the color that we are going to use. Next, let's create the illusion of snow on the roof. Using a light blue wash, gently apply the color to the roof area. Be light-handed with your strokes, allowing the underlying white of the paper to peek through, and don't worry about perfection. This subtle layer of light blue will add a touch of frostiness to our cozy cabin. Now let's move on to the side wall of our cabin, using a mixed dark blue, perhaps with a hint of red for depth. Also, I'm gently scraping off a bit of paint here to introduce a subtle play of light. This technique will create reflection of the light. It's a simple yet effective method to enhance the depth and bring our painting to life. Next, we will just simply apply some light red color for cabin eve. Next part is for the pine tree. Let's make some thicker pigments for the tree. In today's demo, I will use wet on dry to draw the pine tree directly. As we draw the branches down, add a different shade of green. Okay, left side is done, then we draw some winter bushes on the right side. Here is the paint of burnt sienna, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that we are going to use for the bush. First, let's mix some brown and gray. Now let's bring our winter landscape to life by painting some delicate winter bushes. Using a fine brush and a mix of brown and gray, create small wispy branches extending from the base of the bushes. So these little details will add a touch of charm to our winter scene. Lastly, let's add more details to the cabin and the surrounding area. Then it's done. Let's enjoy our card. I hope you will enjoy this painting journey, and I can't wait to see your own unique winter cabin painting. Happy painting, everyone! If you want to help me out by giving this video a like and a comment, that would be really helpful to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be up to date on all my new videos coming out. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next video.